Hello Persona friend, my name is Ega and you're listening to Persona Talk, where I will share my thoughts, views, and insight. In this episode, I will talk about my book again, my novel. You can check and read it in Mangatun or Noveltun. Of course, I will share the link in the description box to make it easier for you. The title is Our World and the Universe Between Us. Well, I hope you read it already, so I'll read out the synopsis first. This story is supposed to be our little secret. I'm about to tell you, but you must swear on your life that you won't talk about it to just anyone. I remind you once again, the story you're about to hear isn't just for anyone. Someone's future depends on it. The story? It will be told just between us, but it'll be all about me and him. You don't know him. Perhaps you won't ever see him. But I did, and that's the reason you and I stuck together. I don't know why I met him, why it happened to me in the first place. I don't even know how it happened. But I did meet him, and he made me more alive than ever. My life turned to be better after he came into the picture. That's why I will, with full of confidence, say I'll never regret meeting him in the first place. The story won't be normal at all. I'm telling you this in advance. It's unbelievable, I admit it myself. So it doesn't mean it's not real and I'm not normal. You are free to judge it on your own. Well, from the synopsis, you probably figure out that this is from the first point of view. From my point of view. From I, the first point of view. And it's from a female protagonist perspective. Her name is Tina. And in this novel, you will be her doctor, Dr. Alan Miller. Okay, so just from these clues, you probably could guess how the story will be. Yep, it's about Tina and you, Dr. Alan Miller's conversation. Tina met the love of her life, Tatum, but that's the reason why she is sent to an asylum. I'll give a bit more spoiler. Tatum is from another world, a planet different from Earth, and just like the title says, they are separated by the universe. To be precise, she's not sent to the asylum because she falls in love with Tatum. It is just because of Tatum. Everyone said that Tatum is not real, it's just her hallucination and that's why she needs help. Okay, I will only talk about it up to this point. If you want to know more, you have to read my novel yourself. But what I want to talk about here is not really the story or my novel. It's the question I want to ask by writing this novel. So tell me, Persona friend, if you fall in love with a person and the whole world tell you it's impossible, that it's not real, it's just not meant to be, what would you do? Will you fight for it? Or will you listen to what people are saying? Will you follow your heart? Or will you just give it up? Well, I'm not pushing you to get obsessed over someone, but sometimes we need to know when to fight for our hearts and when to let go. But it's not decided by people's opinion. It is your life and you only live once. There might be limit and boundary in this society, but you cannot let the society dictate what to do, what's real, what's possible, and so on. And the second question is about the world, about reality. I mean, what is reality? If people cannot see it, does it mean it's not real? Alright, mental illnesses do need help. When it disturbs our life, we need help to deal with it. But on the other hand, the reality that we know of now is the reality that people or society shape up. It's living by their standard, and things that aren't included in that reality are deemed crazy or even not real. But to create something new, or even to create a new world, we need that craziness to see outside the reality today. So with this novel, I just want people to be more open and accepting the other reality, the other possibilities. We can be crazy, you can be crazy. We can fight for what we believe in, we can fight for our hearts. But as I said, I want this book to make us more open and accepting. So even as we fight for what we believe in, Be open and accepting for others' reality as well. Okay, that's all for this episode. Thank you for listening. Let's share love, happiness, and positivity.